Santo Import and Export Co., Limited has been built in 2005. With 17 years development, we have become the famous manufacturer and favored exporter for the packaging products and the printing services. We are authorized package supplier for Coca-Cola Company. Located in Xiamen, Santo Packaging has built a completed supplying solution for our customers. We not only provide the packaging boxes, gift boxes, shopping bags, cardboard displays, thank you cards, stickers and other printing services to our customers, but also can supply the packaging design, printing templates, quality testing to our customers. Based on those products and services, Santo Packaging has imported various advanced machines from Germany, Japan to make sure all products and services from us are at a high quality standard. Nowadays, Santo Packaging has been running a factory with 8,000 square meters workshop, 2 factory building. We have 120 advanced machines, 200 experienced workers, 20 engineers. We have 2 offset printing machines from Heidelberg which can ensure all printing on our products are perfect. 2 automatic die cutting machines from Japan which can make sure all orders can be worked out in a short time. 2 automatic film lamination machines from Japan which can do the film laminating at 100,000 pieces a week. 5 bubble removing machines from China which can ensure the surface of all gift boxes are flat without bubble. Over 20 machines which can support the products producing and quality testing. All in all, thanks to our premium quality, competitive price, sincere services, Santo Packaging not only supply the packaging products and the printing services for the native market, but also win lots of market share in US, UK, Canada, Japan, France, etc. Santo Packaging will work hard on products and services to build a good praise in the whole world.